What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Dad Does Videos. Today we're going to show you how to change the battery in a 2022 Honda Civic key fob. That's what we have right here. Just a heads up before we get started, you are going to need a CR2032 battery displayed right here. First thing you want to do is push this button on your key fob. That will release the key, as you can see right there. Now, a lot of videos you'll see people jamming flathead screwdrivers in here to release the two sides that are kind of connected together. You don't need to do that, and oftentimes people will end up kind of breaking their key fob by mistake. You just need to put in the end of the key that you just removed and just slide that into the slot right here and twist. So you can see the end of that key is right in there, and I'm just going to gently twist, and then the sides of the fob will pull apart. Just like that, as you can see. Now, when you open the fob, make sure you have the side with the Honda logo on the top. That's why, because that's where the battery is. If it were flipped over, then this piece would start to fall out. Okay, so here is the CR2032 battery we have to remove. And note that the positive side is facing up. And all you need is a flathead screwdriver here to just gently go underneath the battery and twist a little bit so it pops right out of those little arms that are holding it in place. As you can see, just like that. Just remove that. Okay, so we have our battery out of the package. We are simply going to insert this right into where we removed our old battery. And remember, you just want the positive side up. And for batteries like these, this side right here is the positive side. If you flip it over, this is the negative side. So we want to put it in like this, not like that. It doesn't matter where the plus sign is, as long as this side is facing up. So you gently just insert like so. And now what we need to do is just simply put our two sides of our key fob back in place and squeeze until it snaps shut. So I think the easiest way to do this is to lock in one side like that. As you can see, that side is pretty locked in right there, right in place. And then press down, and then on the other side, press again. It should be aligned perfectly. You just might need to use a little force. As you can see, make sure we look all the way around. And that's popped up a little bit, not a big deal. You just press down. Everything looks good. We're gonna grab our key and then just simply insert right back in. That's it, everybody. Thanks for watching.